Hello guys, in this video I will try to make a project of a small house in the architectural style of the famous architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. It will be a tiny house, an area of 40 square meters. The architectural style I have chosen, which is liked by many architects around the world, has certain distinctive features. Flat horizontal platforms that define the main silhouette and serve as the roof and floor. The presence of panoramic glazing to combine internal and external space, and also the presence of such columns that have a structural purpose. To fit the given architectural style, I made a rectangular layout. The dimension of the house turned out to be 3.75 by 10.50 meters. The main concept of my layout is that I divide it into three parts. One of them is the heart of the home. This part will be hidden, and the other two parts of the house, on the contrary, will be open and will have panoramic glazing. One of the features of this house is a small narrow terrace that surrounds it on all sides. It is assumed that the panoramic windows will be sliding and will be possible to access the terrace in any part of the house. I know that I tried to make the layout as ergonomic as possible, but at the same time comfortable. So upon entering, we find ourselves in the heart of the house. It contains three small rooms, a corridor, a bathroom, and a dressing room. The hallway is quite small, but there is enough space to place a coat rack. The bathroom is also quite simple. There is a shower, toilet, and sink. Well, in this part there is a small dressing room. More precisely, this is a niche that can be used as a closet. As you noticed, the dressing room also connects two adjacent parts of the building. And frankly, this can be quite controversial, because if you remove this door, then there will be an opportunity to add additional shelves for the closet and the space will be used more efficiently. In general, write in the comments what would be better in your opinion. On the left side of the building is the living room. There is a sitting area and a kitchen area with a kitchen island that doubles as a dining table. The living room itself has panoramic glazing, allowing you to admire stunning views when you are inside. The kitchen set turned out to be quite comfortable. Everything you need is here. On the right side of the building is the bedroom. There is nothing superfluous here, just a bed and a beautiful view outside. So this is how this project turned out. I think it looks pretty nice, and if you like this house, like this video, well, if you have suggestions on what could be added or changed in this project, be sure to write your opinion in the comments. And I hope that you like this video, because this is very important for me, and I will continue to try to make interesting project. So subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.